Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic door opening system. In this project we are using Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor and servo motor here. If any object detected to the ultrasonic sensor, then the door will open with the help of servo motor. Here the power supply we are using is this adapter. This converts 230 volts of AC into 5 volts of DC with the help of step down transformer and bridge rectifier. Now we are running power supply to the project. If any object detected to the ultrasonic sensor, then the door will open, and when the person enters in the room, the door will close automatically. If any malfunction occurring out the Uno, then press the reset pin. This is how the project will be worked. Thanks for watching.